Right, so you've got two different kinds of backs. You've got the classic plastic one that has a thicker rim than the metal one. See a pretty big difference.
Mm-hmm.
So with the metal ones, what you're going to want to do is have one of these plastic rings in underneath. Of course, the backs always go down, face down, right? The clip part is from the front, face down. Now, make sure it's pretty lined up. It does not have to be perfect. You want to bring this all the way over, because otherwise the puncher is going to be too far. It's going to be turned out this way, and if you press down, it's going to go down too far. So turn it this way. If you look right over here, there's going to be a metal pin. You want that one to be leaving your space there. Then whenever you bring it over, you do want that pin to be showing so that you clamp down as far as you can get it. Boom. Beautiful. And then of course, without the ring, white one. Try to make sure that this is a single sheet. Sometimes you have to like bend it for it to separate.